Good evening, everybody. I lost track of time and am quite quite late start here, my friends. But it is what it is. All I can say is that darn the Planet Crafter devs for making such an addictive game. It's all I can say in my defense for that. Welcome on in, everybody. Welcome. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's had a good week so far and a good start to your weekend. Hope everything is going just great and groovy and awesome and all of those things. I was actually also taking the 5-minute timer here to kind of stare at the what I was working on last week and trying to figure out where I left off and where I needed to do. But it looks like we were right in the middle of getting the edit page together and other things here. So that is where we're at there. I guess I was pulling things out into Commons files and stuff. So cool. I don't think I have any of the controller stuff in place yet. What is it? Hide some of these right now. Don't need them at the moment. This controller. Yeah, okay. I don't have like the update or anything yet. Next alerts, edit. So I should probably put that. Text alert, edit. The edit alerts. And button save now, so that's good. Alert settings, JS. I think it'll work for both in both cases. Okay, so I think alerts here. Right, new, and then you have the edit button. Which probably submit form. I don't want to do a get on it. Or, well, really, yeah. No, it should submit a form and move us to the next page. What I'd like to do there is, because I just want it to be a full page refresh, not like something funky, I don't think. I will say form. Option is string URL. Something. Where's our create at? Alerts. Wait, is this doing? That's just doing a button link. Yeah, that's not the same thing. Um, right now. Things alerts. Edit. Method is post. Paint. Okay, and type it in. Name would be, I guess, just ID. Yeah. Value. That. That's all I would really need there. Is just the ID of the thing that you're gonna edit. Which would have to be on the button itself. An icon. I give myself an extra parameter here. Maybe. Where's my those? Yeah, title text to look up. And icon type. Oh, I put I have extra class on there, but not HTML. Well, I'm gonna put that then. Attributes. And we'll put those here. So, should be the same thing. Button text as well, right? Yeah, so that here. Those, okay, so text. Or button icon, I mean small, and then data. The data ID equals, that's yeah, I got the double quote in there. That is no for what did I call it? No format. What is it called? Let's do this on another thing here. Where did I do it? Maybe it was alerts down field. This is the problem. It's been a week, so I don't remember what I did. Yeah, no escape. That's yeah. Okay. I knew it was something. Couldn't remember the thing here. No. Escape plus. Setting the ID. Plus that. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Ah. There shouldn't be really any escape on this either, so that. Okay. Put an ID on it. And that allows me to do script. And I can say, latch on to what is it? Edit button. So, say ID R equals button. Well, it might not be on the page actually, so we'll have to do on one click. We'll further refine it with that. We'll call view edit. All right. ID is this. Away. Data B. And here. Not picking up all that green real estate. Okay. ID is that. So it is it form. Say at form input name equals E file of E and submit that. Okay. All right. We have that, and I'm just thinking of something too. The macros service name macro. Put a I believe there is a title. There as well. And I want to do which is the SN YouTube. Fine. Title. Actually, I want to be really proper here. Let's do, that, and then I would do fine title. Bring message service. All right, and then same thing here. Okay. I wonder, can I make a yeah, I could do FA brands to FA 2X and then on style middle text. That's that. We'll see how that, if that looks a little bit better, maybe. It might be too big, who knows. See. Okay, then the alerts page. Alert settings, alert edit. So I need to make that. Need to make that endpoint. Right, save new. All right. I mean, it's going to be much the same. Big as create. But it's going to have to go retrieve. Have to go retrieve stuff. Would be a post mapping. Want bring E. What's new title? Edit title. Export. Edit title. Have that we will populate the port settings model here. Based on the ID comes in. You need that. The alert type constants and stuff. Service types. Alert types are fine. The current service though will be whatever is set. For the one that we pull down. So right. We'll see what's going on here. Edit alert. And error, not error. All right, and then we go out to settings DAO thing back. So settings DAO dot I don't have a thing for it. Yep. All right. All settings. New settings. Right. Okay. So. Okay. Private. Final ring. Get the settings by they select the best from alert settings where the Green fills. Join. Columns. Comma. Okay. Click, alert, settings row, hit settings by, all right, and, would be list, settings row, result, tools, the template dot query the row mapper get things by ID new settings row mapper and an ID is passed in. Go. And then turn result that green dot find first or else null. Oh. And then to where go settings by ID and alert settings row. Then we just gotta build a model object from it. Alert model build model object row. So we say alert settings model set alert text to row dot get settings alert text color row settings color. This is assuming that there is a settings. Let's do if row get settings. Oh no. Now service and type I think are on the regular thing, so service row dot service type row type dot string, and this is name. There we go. All that was on the model. Yep. Cool. Then from this, we the model, add attribute. Alert settings model. Model object from that row that came back. And then service be that's that up here. Service be row the back to alert edit. Right. For that one, and this is edit. Make sure we hit settings, alert, edit. We've got settings, alerts, edit. All right. That's called alerts, edit. Well, yep. Close that row mapper now, I think. Where is our... Oh, here. Okay. That's the edit, and then I need to handle the update. So that would be very similar to the here, where we pull in the whole model, finding result stuff. Grab this. Hey, Soul Reaper, welcome. Welcome on in. How are you doing? New there. We'll go and put up here. Updates. I'm from East Coast, US, Pennsylvania. That's where I am from. Let's see. Have to validate it again. Is correct. What am I doing here? I am writing some. I'm doing an open source program. I'm writing a streaming bot thing for streamers to like get alerts on their screens and all that stuff for Twitch and YouTube ultimately eventually. Just because a lot of my followers wanted to see what it was like to write one, you know, from scratch and all that stuff. So I'm doing that. It's just kind of a hobby thing. It'll be putting it out there for anybody to use, and then eventually. And then I'm also kind of working on the side on a streaming site that will be open source as well. Has anyone else come to my stream? Not yet, not tonight yet. Or if they are, they're lurking, which is fine. I am cool with that. I don't really have any of I don't have any like numbers open. 'Cause I don't really look at them. So there could be a few lurking around, and that's fine. I am cool with that. Just the model coming in. Validate like we normally do. Hit alert settings. Oh, cool. Hope you're doing well over there with all the world stuff going on. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. So edit validation, and then we'll turn edit. I guess I do have to resubmit the model. To have changed things without them actually being saved yet. How do I do that up here? I did check for it. I guess I do have to do that check for it. So we'll do that. Yeah, that's like that. I'm sorry to hear that. I realize that there's a lot of craziness going on, but at least hopefully you're safe and everything else. Possessions can be replaced. Humans can't, so hopefully everyone is good around you. Let me see. Alright. Guess I want to put that in there like that. You submit a model with it. Try to do something to develop it. Yeah, I kind of treat it a little bit as a kind of like a half just chatting stream and a half development stream. Because sometimes people come in and ask questions. I try to answer best as I can, technical whatever. But yeah, I kind of treat it as that. Like I can't really do like a pure just chatting stream because I don't feel like I have anything to do. So this gives me a way to like have something to do and also kind of chill a little bit and hang out a bit. So like I'm not in any rush or under any deadlines to get anything done with this. So I could just I can get as little or as much done as I can get done. You know, it's just one of those things. It's just a nice little hobby project. All right, so well, thank you for dropping by. I appreciate it. I always appreciate anyone dropping by. And have a good night. Let's see. So I have if I put it in here. I guess it'd be all right to put the model in there. And just say if I already have the model, don't do the lookup for it. Yeah. I guess so. Yeah. Grab these, them up here. Almost. Wait, no, I don't want a new. I just want to use the settings model they already have. But just kind of leave it in there and then leave it in the model. And I'll just set the service to I'm not even gonna set it. I'm just gonna let it be. We'll have to set it when we call it, that's all. There's no art settings model, then do this, otherwise just show the stuff again. Let's edit. Be request model and things that get I have to put the ID in there. Yeah, I gotta put the ID in here. Private ring D. No. There'll only be for the edit that will need it. ID. That means on the edit page, I need to do, which makes sense. I don't know why I missed it here, but input height and name is, does that ID value is I guess just ID or model ID. Where's the model name? Or common field. Settings model. D. Right, which means I gotta make sure I populate that. That'll be part of it. So when I build model object, yeah. I gotta do model dot ID row dot so long, huh? Okay. That was some reason I thought it was a string. Whatever. We'll make it a long. Can't find it here. He said I just can't find the tabs that are open all the time. Long. So long and long there. Boom. Okay, good. So we have that. Means I gotta this long ID. Yeah, I don't know why I did a string there. Long. Go and all right, if it updates correctly, it'll go to settings and alert. Correct. We want the settings, which I need to make. Something here. I'll have to do private settings row build settings object for update. And settings row equals build settings object row set E the model settings object for update. Then I need to make a update settings. All right, so think here. So the public boolean update settings alert settings row like for the create settings I'm gonna have to do the object mapper as well, but that's fine. Yeah, okay. So strings equals update from alert settings the service type active settings. Service type active settings. Wait, what am I doing? Update. That's wrong. Alert settings. Set service type service type active service type active settings and updated. How do I tell update take current? What is the thing for that in here? I have like now. Commands commit of set save point about functions. Current date. Here we go. Current date functions. Current underscore date. I have to type the whole thing out. The same value within a transaction or within a command, depending on database mode. Current date. it's current timestamp. Current underscore timestamp. All right, fine. Dated equals current timestamp. Where ID is ever. All right. JSON settings. This if row settings is not null. Then JSON settings equals object mapper new object mapper that right value is string row settings. Okay. Right catch. Able to write updated alert settings. ID row.key. Let's do what I did. Other one. Yeah, I just logged it. Probably turn false on that. That doesn't work. Yeah. All right, we have that. Now it's just a matter of rows affected equals the template update. Full, and then row get service name row get type string row or active. Yeah, active is just true. I don't actually have a way to change that there, so I'm not going to alter the active flag there. Rid of that altogether. JSON settings and then row.get ID. 0. Okay. There will be a way to change the active flag, but it's going to be on a separate call. Okay. So then we call the settings. Able to edit work settings. Work access. Good. Work save. Okay. And able to thing. Go. Following the same pattern we've put in place already. And okay, so I've got that in place. In the edit page, settings, alert, updates, settings, alert, update. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. I think that's everything. I mean, I'll remember something right as we're doing it, but the clean build. See what we got. One warning. That's fine. Okay. And start up. Oh, I have a problem here. Did I miss a message somewhere? Probably. Encounter assigned, but only this can be closed. Oh. Here. Yeah, close these. As I tend to do. For a minute, restart it. I probably didn't need to do that. Probably would have just picked it up, but whatever. Okay. What do we have here? Oh yeah, I like the bigger icon. And we have rollovers for them. Nice. Alright. And obviously I'll fix the alert type so that they're more user friendly right now, but I want to see, can I edit this one? What happened there? Body is not defined. Oh. Yeah. Do it correctly. It helps to do it correctly. YouTube new membership, alert text. The test. The alert text not come up? I feel like I had that on there. Save. Let me change the text color here for a second. See, because the alert text is not coming. See that. Let's see if this is possible. Both of them are not showing properly. All right, so let's see here. So we have alert common fields. There's things about alert text. Alert text color. Input text. Could be the value. Put text. No, wait. Oh, did I not? Did I not put the value in there? Well, I was binding to the model, right? Plus name. The value should be string status value. For that bind, right? Apparently not, though. So is it not binding? Let's not be binding to the mob correctly? Well, is it? Not getting a value there. Heck. Alert type is working, and so is the streaming service. Yeah, there's no value. Oh. No. No, they're all at the top level model segment. Not that. Alert. Not there, and then alert text color is just getting the default white value, so that's also not binding right. Right. So color, let me see. Alert text color. Settings model. Color. I wonder why. Oh. Oh. Did I forget to map them from the database? I bet I forgot to map them from the database. Because these are settings things I just did. Where settings map row mapper. Yep, I did. I forgot the map. That would explain that. All right. Have it. Alert. What does this take? Alert settings. First. So we do, I guess it would be a return object, new object mapper. Reader for value type, read values. Get how to do this now. It's been so long. Value. Right. Read value, right? So 3. Is there a read value with a string? Yeah, here we go. Have a type or just class key value type. Yes. Settings as alert setting. Okay. Log it if we can't do it. Oops. I don't have a logger in here, do I? Logger. Go. Okay. Say logger. Error. Unable to be serialized JSON to object. Settings object. And I guess we would just turn null there. Alert settings. String. I think. Right, that's the file name. Yeah, I think it's file name. All right, that explains it. I knew I would forget to do that. At least it's quite evident when you forget it anyway. All right. There we go. We have that, and I hit start. Hopefully. Our alerts go here. Still not seeing that come through. Let's try in case I happen to clear it out. Okay. Not coming through. MD log. We are getting an error. Struct instance of alert settings. No string argument constructor factory method to deserialize from string value. Okay. No string argument constructor factory method. Serialize. This is probably just a setup thing I didn't do. More than likely. Single value as array. recall the correct one. Yeah. Mapper configure. Accept empty string as null object. Description. Identify a constructor of address. Argument, please. Avoid this error. How are they finding that? String argument. String value. Where is it? From string value. Source and location. Oh. Screen read feature includes source and location disabled. Oh, because I don't have that on there. For source, I guess I should turn this on. I can see a better exception. Let's mapper. Enable. Enable mapper feature is not available. Okay. Doesn't like. Oh. Wait, does this tell me? Might the Java doc for that might tell something here. Features not necessary particular reader. Here's okay. Activate default typing. Or maybe it's configure. Why is that deprecated too? Everything's freaking deprecated, even though I'm not deprecating it. I mean, it doesn't show up as deprecated when I go looking for it. up and see where that's used. Object mapper. Oh, I see how they have it. Object mapper M, JSON mapper, builder. Everything's under a builder. Switch to builder pattern. God damn it. You guys are annoying with these builder patterns. Enable build. Okay. Mapper. Alright, fine. Just a mapper. That's builder. Enable. Build. Value. Okay. And we'll see, maybe that'll give me more idea of where it's having a problem. Why it's having a problem. Maybe. Do it works. Edit that, and then what's that? Give me here. Oh, is it automatically escaping it as a string? I do not want that. Oh, I think that's the problem. I think it's automatically escaping the string when I pull it out of the driver, the database driver. So I used the JSON type, right? So maybe I gotta do yeah, I call it JSON data type. So how do I guess I gotta read it not as a string but as something else here. Type doesn't help me. Data type. Okay. Text. See also JSON literal grammar mapped to a byte array. Okay. The JSON value with a string. Use format JSON. Okay. Compared statement. Use a format JSON. Oh, I gotta do that. Right. Without the data format, varchar values are converted to JSON string values. Okay. And it's mapped to byte array. So I probably have to pull it as a byte array. So I have to do rs get stream. I get this like byte array thing. There we go. Get byte. And this will just be byte array. I just say, can I specify UTF-8? Yeah, byte. Standard char that. I want to make sure it stays. Should be UTF-8, but I'm just gonna make sure of it. That also means when I go to save it, I gotta do format JSON. AO. Right value string settings. That. And reading it in is fine. They say to do, right? Format JSON. Yeah, okay. I might have botched that on the first update as it was. Okay. Let's fine, let's do this. What I'll do is I'll load it up again, I'll save it, and then see if it works after the next save here. Here. Test and save. All right, now let's see if it works. Haha! There we go. Okay, got it. That was more an honest mistake than anything else. That was me not working with, first time working with a JSON column in H2, so there were some quirks there, but I found them and we're past them. So that's good. So come back here and say this is another test. Gotta probably fix this one as well. Cool. All right. That's good. Then the only thing we need to do is wire up turn them on and off, which should be easy peasy at this point. So where am I at here? Okay, this is where I want to be. Public boolean update active what boolean new setting and I need the ID, so long ID boolean new setting, boom. Screen update alert settings, set active to whatever, updated to current timestamp, where ID is whatever, boom, and expected GC template update tool new setting and ID. Okay. Current rows expected 0 actional. Okay. Then over in the controller here. Yep. Do public. What do I need to turn? I'd like to do it just in place. So yeah, I don't need to the only weird thing is going to be, because I changed the update, it's going to it'll want to pop them up to the top again. They were last updated, but not that big a deal. I think if I do HTML max, how do I know if it succeeds? Because you can do a non-swap with HTML max, but I need to know if it doesn't feed, right? Because I'll want to guess technically I'd want the alerts to show up too, which I haven't set up the alerts to be able to call from JavaScript yet. That's something we probably should do. Let me see. Where's HTMX at here? I have it open somewhere. No, I have it open somewhere.
Here we go.
Here. So if I wanted to do not append content, right? What do I want? I want swapping none, HX swap none. Computers, target. Farming. Question responses. HTML to the HTML fragment. Sometimes you might want to do nothing in the swap, but still perhaps trigger a client-side event. Return a 204 no content response code. HTML will ignore the content of the response. Oh, okay. So in the event of a error response or connection error, you'll get HTMX response error or HTMX send error. So I just have to listen for those events. But if I get a success, how do I know? What are the response error and there would be a success too. Or swap or send. Or foundation. Error, send error. History. Term. HTMX no swap follows this. Pop a form on error or redirect on success. When there's an error, backend returns this form with outlined errors, 400 status code. Location, finds with HX location header of user's profile page. Or expect user to be redirected. Yeah. Next renders entire user's profile page and login form instead of redirecting. Each redirection not responds with location header. Oh. Well, that's when you're swapping the whole thing around. I guess I would send a... Guess I would send a... I can send an event for myself via HTML. So it would be like... Where's the... There's that header you set. On... scripting, events and logging. System. Want to register for a given HTMX event? You can use Mixload, Mixhelper, HTMX on. Load events. Next before stop. Yeah. Limits for responses with HTTP codes beyond 200. Okay, that's why that response targets. Understood there. Validation. Hey, Sala. Welcome on in. How are you doing today? HX. Sure. What do you want to ask me? What to learn after you learn React.js? It really, I mean, I hate to say it because I know you'll probably get this answer from a lot of people, but it really depends. It's if you want to stay on the UI side of things, mean, I don't know how much I can help you on the UI side of things, because though I am full stack, I don't. There's a lot of different, like React kind of is pretty popular. I mean, I guess you could look at like Angular, I guess, or even Node, JS if you wanted to do those. I'm not sure, like if you're just looking for UI stuff, I'm not sure from that perspective what would do you well. But if you wanted to start looking at back end stuff and you wanted to start maybe being a full stack developer, then I would definitely say pick a language, pretty much any language, and start to dig into it. I mean, obviously Java is what I do, and you'll definitely find work as a Java developer, regardless of what the internet might tell you. And if you're doing that, then I would say definitely learn Spring, because pretty much everybody uses it, whether they want to or not. If you're looking at a different language like Python, I mean, that might be a good one to look at. I don't know the back end of that, what you would do with that. So I'm not sure in that regard. But Python is definitely there are people using that as their back end for their web services, or for their web, I should say. I don't think Ruby is as or Rails is as popular as it used to be. I mean, maybe it is. I don't know. Not sure on that. And I don't know if Elixir is going to ever catch on. I mean, it is kind of seems like it has the potential to catch on, but I don't know if it'll catch on in the corporate world or not. But those would be interesting ones to do just as a resume builder, or as a hobby thing, really, more than anything else. And then there's always .NET, which again, plenty of people use that, plenty of companies use that. And I would say I wouldn't do ASP.NET. I would do probably C# on that side of things. And that would give you probably the most rounded of all the .NET languages, most rounded experience there. So I would say that's probably what's being used more often. Yeah, I don't, that's about all I could. It's about all I could direct you to. Because I don't know what jobs are. Like, I presume that you're looking for things to put on your resume, and I don't know what jobs are looking for these days, honestly. Outside of the Java realm, anyway. Like the startups and stuff. Because I've always just kind of sat back and kind of stayed in the Java sphere, and I haven't had any problems finding anything. So if I had run into problems finding jobs in Java, I probably would have started looking at other languages even earlier than I did. Yeah, I mean, that's about all I can offer up. It's not much. Is there anything in particular that you were gravitating towards? Like, I mean, it's always important that you pick something that you feel like you would enjoy doing, as well. Yeah, it's no problem. It's no problem whatsoever. I mean, I can certainly throw ideas out there. It's really up to you to figure out what you are, what you enjoy and what you want to get into. Or I mean, there's another school of thought that just says find the thing that gets you the most money, but you know, neither good nor bad, I guess, at the end of the day, you know? So, and that one I can't necessarily help with because there's definitely money to be had. But it's in the weirdest corners of the market, you know, where you end up kind of pigeonholing yourself, into a certain corner. All right, Sella. Thanks for dropping by, and hope I helped. Let's see. Yeah, I guess I would have to send myself a HX trigger. Trigger events as soon as the response is received. Trigger my event. This will trigger my event on the triggering element. It will bubble up to the body. For example, you could listen for an event like this. My event. Or like this if you're trying to trigger some element without using JS code. You want to pass details along with the event, you can move to JSON for the value of trigger. Event listener, show message, event detail value. Value. So if you wish to pass multiple pieces of data, you can use a nested JSON object on the right hand side. So nested. Okay. If you wish to invoke multiple events, you can simply add additional properties to the top level JSON object. Okay. So I could trigger it and say, hey, it's there was a successful swap here. On the triggering element. So I mean, they're grabbing it at the body, but I imagine I could just grab it off the element itself. And then post a success there. Okay. That might be what we'd have to do. And get rid of that for a second. So get a clock. I kind of want to, I know it's been a short stream, a very short stream, but kind of want to take a little break, stretch my legs and everything before we do tonight's multiplayer stuff. So I think that's what I'm going to do. We got a little bit further along though. I know we didn't get nearly as much done as I want to, but our next thing, once we get the toggle working, which I think is going to be probably the easiest part of this, then it's time time to try to show some alerts, be able to test the alerts and show them on OBS and see how that all fits in and works and looks and all that stuff. So that'll be the more fun part of it, I guess. So we'll probably be taking care of that next week, I would say. Let's go and submit what we have. So settings. Oh, wait a minute. This is not. These are. Check those from there. And that. And these are free here. Yeah, I want to ignore that folder altogether. And I think everything else is okay for right now. So alert edit now working. Small factorings on alerts. Great. And added jQuery mini colors for color. All right. Cool. We got that out there. I do think there was one pull request from Penabots. So look at that. Max inversion. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Is that in? Cool. How is outer wrapper doing? No pull request there. Okay. Cool. Cool. So we'll pull that down. Change down. Excellent. All right. Yeah, I think we're going to be good for right now. A short stream, but I just wanted to get a little bit running, a little bit done here, a little bit working, that kind of thing. So I'd say we're good for the moment, my friends. But yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I'm not gonna raid out right now. I will be back in about 2 hours, just under 2 hours. We'll be playing some more multiplayer stuff, probably doing some Planet Crafter, I imagine. But we'll be on with Jin and Gray and Overlord Coordinates and having some fun and all that stuff. So please, if you will, come on back and join us for some shenanigans and all that stuff. But otherwise, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I hope everyone has an excellent morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on what it is for you. I hope to see you back here again in the future for some more stuff, whatever happens to suit your fancy. Until then, see you, bye.